If there's one thing that's for sure in one of these S2000s, it's that every twist and every turn in one of these cars is pure driving bliss. Heel toe on them. Oh my gosh, bro. She told me to slow down. I'm going the opposite way of this freaking Prius, bruh. Whichever way he goes is not the way I want to be. Calling me. Oh, the heel toe. Woo! Not more horse crossings. Yo, I've never seen that in my life. Like, what the frick is a horse crossing, bruh? One thing's for sure, though. That horse don't want any smoke with Ezra, man. Ezra the S2000, bruh.
What are you talking about? Shut the f.
The way this thing handles is, like, it's actually absurd.